Hello and welcome to Eco House and a new series of videos where we are revisiting some of the amazing projects we've been involved with over the past 15 years. Today I'm in North Somerset where we're looking at this incredible new build project where we installed our Internorm windows and doors in the main house and our Visiline triple glazed sliding doors in this stunning indoor pool area. Now why don't we go and have a look at some of the finer details of this project.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll that down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride.
So as I alluded to in the introduction of this video, we've got our Internorm triple glazed timber composite windows on the outside of the building, but for the indoor pool area we've used our Visiline aluminium sliding doors. This particular example is our Visiline 3 triple glazed system. We've got our 25mm sight lines, our 54mm triple glaze and our level access threshold. Perfect for environments like this. One of the more challenging aspects of this project was the indoor swimming pool, situated right in the middle of the building. We had to ensure that the swimming pool environment was kept completely separate to the main house environment. So to do this, we used our Visiline triple glazed windows and doors throughout the whole pool area, ensuring that the swimming pool was more of an outside space than an inside space.
Haters gonna hate, won't be sorry now. Shoot me down, but I'll rise again. I'm laying down the law and you've been served. 1 by 1, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky.
Well, I think you all agree this is an incredible project for us to be involved with, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and check back soon where we will be revisiting more amazing projects like this. See you soon.